everyone, welcome to another episode of Unbox with Alex Trinh, and in this episode of Unbox with Alex Trinh, we will be unboxing the Sony PlayStation 5. So I got this from Target on sale for $450. $450 on sale from Target. Today we will be unboxing this thing and checking this PlayStation 5 console out. But before we do, let's go ahead and take a look around the box. So here it is. Here is the Sony PS5. Here we can see the console itself, along with the PS5 DualSense controller. This is the standard version of the PS5. On the top right corner, here it indicates that this can play 8K, 4K, 120 FPS, and HDR video. Really love this simple design of the box. Let's take a look on the left side of the box. The left side of the box shows the PS5 standing vertically. And let's take a look on the right side of the box, which just says PS5, PlayStation 5 by Sony. And with that being said, let's go ahead and take a look on the back side of the box. So here it is. Here is the back side of the box with the PS5 standing horizontally. Play like never before. Here's the PS5 along with DualSense controller, and below has 3 points for this PS5. Lightning speed. Harness the power of a custom CPU and SSD with integrated I/O that rewrites the rule of what a PS5 console can do. Breathtaking Immersion. Discover a deeper gaming experience with support for haptic feedback, adaptive triggers, and 3D audio technology. And stunning games. Marvel at incredible graphics and experience. New PS5 features. Play a back catalog of supported PS4 games with a system update. And here on the bottom right corner, it says it is rated E, 10 and up, and this is the 825 gigabyte model. And yeah, so that is all to it for the back side of the box. And with that being said, let's finally unbox the PlayStation 5. So I have my X-Acto knife out and ready to go. Since this is a super huge box for the PlayStation 5, what I'm doing right now is cutting through the seal that is on the top part of the box. So as you can see me opening this, once you open up the on the top side of the box, you get another white box. So basically the outer portion is just basically a paper thin cover that covers the white box on the inside. So yeah, so the first thing that you will see once you unbox the PS5 is this compartment, which we'll take a look later. And I'm going to lay down the box, and you can see the inside, which has the PS5 in it. So here it is. Here's the PlayStation 5 console. I really wish Sony did a better job of the packaging, since you're paying like $500 MSRP. You expect a better presentation. You should check out my unboxing for the Xbox Series X, and Microsoft did an excellent job with their presentation when I did an unboxing of that console. Nonetheless, here is the PlayStation 5 console. Let's put it on. Let's put it on a vertical side, and let's take a look of what we have in this compartment. So inside this compartment here, you have the PlayStation 5 user guide, and along with the controller and all other stuff that is required to power on the PS5. Here's the quick start guide for the PS5, along with the safety guide. And now, under this cover, here is the stand. So this stand can be used vertically or horizontally. So good to have that part. Here you have a high-speed HDMI cable. Really recommend using this cable than any other cables. And here's the power cord that powers your PS5. And now here's the PS5 DualSense controller. Let's take it out. So here's the PS5 DualSense controller. Looks so comfortable. Feels good in the hands. Really like it. And what we have here is the cable. This is a USB-A to USB-C cable that powers or charges your PS5 DualSense controller. So let's go ahead and unwrap and check out the PlayStation 5 console. So here is the PS5 console. This is the disc version. And here's the console itself, standing vertically. And as you can see here on the right side, you have your disc tray. Since this is the disc version, let me move this back a bit further so you can get the whole view. So you have your disc tray on your right, ventilation on top. Here you have your power and eject buttons, along with your USB-C and USB-A ports. And here we have our PS5 DualSense controller. Really love this design, this dynamic design from Sony. And let's take a look at a top-down view. So here's a close-up top-down view of the PS5. Here you can see the ventilation on top. As we move down, you can find your USB-A and USB-C ports along with your power and eject buttons. On your right is your disc tray. On this side of the console is a cover plate that covers your SSD expansion slot. And here's the disc tray cover plate, which is also interchangeable with custom cover plates that you can find online. And here's the backside of the PS5, where you can find your two USB ports along with your Ethernet, HDMI, and power adapter port. And yeah, so that is the unboxing of the Sony PlayStation 5. If you like this video, please give this video a super huge thumbs up. Comment in the comment section below on what you think about the PlayStation 5. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Be sure to check out my other YouTube content that is on this channel. And thank you for watching Unbox with Alex Trinh. And I'll definitely see you on next one.